of provenance. Throughout my life you taught me a renegade. Oh, wow. Through all my lows you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. Oh, but I'm a renegade of your love.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And all